The 19th edition of the Socio-Cultural Festival, organized by the Halam Socio-Cultural Organisation, kicked off with great enthusiasm at Sibmukchhara in Dhalai district. The event, which served as a vital platform for the Halam community to showcase their rich heritage, was attended by Minister Animesh Debbarma and community members from across the Northeast. One of the key highlights of this year's festival is its interstate reach. While hosted in Tripura, the event saw a large contingent of the Halam community from Assam joining the festivities. Traditionally, the location of this festival rotates annually between different states, emphasizing the unity and cultural bond of the Halam people living across state borders. The festival was officially inaugurated by Minister Animesh Debbarma, who attended as the chief guest. Upon his arrival, he was given a traditional welcome by the community elders and youth in their ethnic attire. Addressing the media and the gathering, Minister Debbarma lauded the Halam Socio-Cultural Organisation for their constancy in organizing the event for nearly 2 decades. Festivals like these are the heartbeat of our indigenous communities. They are essential for preserving the unique culture fabric, language and traditional identity of the Halam community in this fast-changing world, the minister remarked.
Halam Socio-Cultural Organisation ni Socio-Cultural Festival Sibmukchhara Dhalai jela ni Sibmukchhara o kuthumlai dongo oro Assam ni Chini Halam takugrok bo phaijak Tripura ni bo tongo total northeast Halam ro kaisa Socio-Cultural Organisation khlaika tini bai 19 bar mo 19 tomo Socio-Cultural Festival lungi dongo phainai bisiobo 20th Halam Festival borok khlainai. I am so pleased that oro phai khanaka je Tripura o kaisa bisiongo next year o Assam ongo ai khlai borok somosto Halam rogni je culture mosamani musubmani kan borok tak borok samung rok oro display khlaijago जों जे जागा बसाइ दङ oro nukhna oro gairing nok tangja kaise so beautiful it is dresses rok display ngo dancer rok dance khlayo charai rok rasap mung kabangma cultural dance oro perform khlaija ebong socio cultural organization jongbai tini tongo agini kasam MDC Badarbum Halam Tongo Joyanta Halam Assam ni Phaijak for Northeast Halam Socio-Cultural Organisation ni President এবং kabangma Halam Youth Organization ni leader rok khubso Halam bini bishesh bhumika tomo coordination khlaitani Tripura ni juda juda officials rok tei naimathang nainai rok police ni borok rok administration borok bo phaijak ebong absek naithotok ang borno saka je drugs no sengma khibinai halam no jodi protect khaina angke lekha pora bai protect ma khlaine ebong business ma khlaine orthoniti o yak ma barok nai je dofani business korei lekha pora korei chakri khlaiglag scientist janglag engineer janglag civil administrator janglag politics of Haiglag Adofa Kathang Tongibo Kathing Than. So Shongka Bay, Samung Base, Rasabmani Bisingte, Kala Thangmani Bisingte, Halam Bahike protected Tongnai, Okok Rognos and Tini or Kasar Kate.
Sat Debbarma Tripura Yang Bonido Panije Nitani. Ani
Bekti Gotobaba and Nugmani Halam by Debbarman Letam Palanya to Makabang Peri. Oro mo gairing tango sungo gairing tango ano mo saka mo halam ni risha Debbarma risha bo haini sudu color alada alada ang hoyche जों Tripura rok asole khub colorful norok nugnai chini bari rok kaham klai jokhon makeup khlaio buini dofani bari rong slai kintu makeup rong ebong halam rok no naidi riang rok no naidi Debbarma rong naidi pagri rok sorlaima rok Kumbubar ruije moto pahikai rogo beri rok masama rok. Jeng Tripura rok belai colorful haja. So Halam is also Tripura. Debbarma is also Tripura. Jeng Tripura rok jotono colorful. Omonono jeng buini dofano ma funuk nai haja. Kebang feri haja. Kintu Fede fer ni zurkai sungkai to au. Kisa fero boro ang kosom manon nang gizom na. Ang samung manon nang zathai hinna. Haingo kisa misa fero haitse. Aboba ambasani borok bai sodor borok fero sodor borok bai konokutin barak kisa fero haitse. So halam bai halam bo fero. Asam ni fainai halam ro kok borok manja. Tripura ni halam ro kok borok mano. Ang borong buma khang nukaino kok borok samani আমরা তো আসামের দাদা হিসাবে আর অরনি হালাম রং সাকাই বরকাই সাও হয় আং কক বরক বাই সাদি স্যার নি সাবলাই আং আরো থাঙ্গাই তাম কক সানে কক বরক বাই সাদি অর কক বরক বাই বমা সাও ইংলিশ বাই বমা সাও বাংলা বাই বমা সাও তি প্রাসা মানে যতন जों কাইসা কক বাই চলিয়ে চিনি তো 19 ট্রাইব जों different কক লামতেইনো जों থামসামা
Minister Debbarma was joined by several community leaders and social activists who emphasized the need for documented research into Halam history and folklore. Reported by Biplov from Khoi, Chini Khorang.